Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to install an SSL certificate in Hostinger so your website stays secure and trusted in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard and open your website's control panel. Scroll down to the security section and click SSL. You'll see your domains listed. Just hit Setup next to the one you want to secure. If you're using Hostinger's free SSL, it installs automatically in seconds. For a custom SSL, click Add SSL and upload your certificate files .crt and then .key and sometimes the CA bundle. Once it's installed, wait a few minutes for propagation, then refresh your site. If it shows HTTPS and a padlock icon, your SSL is active. You also force HTTPS on your website. SSL force HTTPS to keep everything encrypted. And that's it. Your Hostinger SSL is installed and running perfectly. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick 2025 web tutorials.